Hey, hello Natron Nation. I'm out here playing with my iPhone in this nice, beautiful Resurrection Sunday. I just recently posted something about a new group I'm going to be creating for Natron, and this is going to be specifically dealing with which is called the Python scripting and expressions for core developers or those who actually are programmers for that particular language. I, for one, is not a programmer. I don't know too much about Python, but I understand that at least 60 to 75%, or if not 100%, of programs on the market today are using Python as part of the extensibility of their programs, and also to the Python API that can run in real time, as opposed to having to worry about everything have to be coded and compiled and linked and all the other kind of stuff that goes into compiling a software based off its development. So I say sometime early this year, I was talking about, hey, I'm going to name the group Nathan Pies, which is short for Nathan Python. And the guy I was going to introduce, his last name is Grassard. He's a French dude. I can't pronounce his first name or remember his whole entire name though. But I will be showing some pictures of this guy. He told me that basically he said, hey, if I start the group, he'd be more than happy to actually to whatever time that he does have to share and or lend his talents to us of programming and basically in Python. Like I said, his last name is Grassard. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So look out for it. So I'm going to be naming the group Natron Pi or Natron Pies. I know it sounded kind of strange with the name, but hey, if anybody is interested, and if you know somebody who is a coder, now remember this particular group would be only for people who are coders in Python or no C++ and something like image processing. Because what's going to happen is that whatever anybody who's inside Natron Nation has like a problem or an issue or want like a certain kind of effect to happen inside Natron, then you will make that request inside the Natron Pies group, and then those guys basically can say, hey, here's the request, here's what we have coded, this is what it will look like, and then us guys over here at Natron would take that same kind of group node or that Python development and create some workflows, create some basic effects with them. I'm not trying to discriminate, but I want to try to keep everything with integrity for the coders. Therefore, they are talking to one another and say, hey, how they can streamline the process, what would probably be the best syntax to write out a particular code for Python for Natron. And then us over here at Natron Nation, we just say, hey, we videographers, we editors, we VFX creators and producers and effects visual effects supervisors for certain suits and locations. We stay over there and just make those requests and just keep jamming. All right. This is Omar Brown. I'm admin for Natron Nation and eventually Natron Pies, coming to you from Euclid, Ohio, USA. Holla at your boy. Talk to you later and have a good weekend.